Hi there, welcome back to the next video, and let's start exploring our newly created application by creating a new sheet. Alright, so I'm clicking over here, which is the application we created in the previous video, and here is the first screen that you will see after opening your application. And here by default, if you see, my new sheet has already been created, which we explored in the previous video. And on top you see the sales application and when it was created and the file location. So if you want to modify some of the information, you can come over here and click on edit and edit the title and the description if you want to add any description, and enable this or confirm the changes. Down there, if you see, there are some app options. So what it has is the appearance right to left. It's basically disabled. It's nothing but if you are developing an application in a language which is starting from right and going to left, for example Arabic, then you can use this option. Also you can change the theme, which is Qlik Classic, Qlik Focus and Breeze. Background color related options that you can change, font color related option that you can set at the start. Yeah, if you want to change the image, so for example you are seeing these images, right? If you want to put it as a logo or your department specific logo, in such cases you can use this image or something that you have in mind for this particular application as a logo, that you can use it. And another thing I will tell you is a site from where you can actually get this thing, because I find it very helpful. So if I come over here and tell you this site, which is pixabay.com, so this is like an additional input I'm giving you, and here I get a lot of different images. I can just search with the something like analysis and it will give me all of the different ideas. So I heavily utilize, for example, like this image or like this image, right? Gives some professional look to our application. So just additional information that you can reach to this site, Pixabay. It's free. All of these images are free. Images which are not free is at the start, because these are sponsored images from Shutterstock. Alright, so let me go back. So from there you can actually get the image and put it here, and then you can have the image alignment, and once you are done, just click on this and come back. Alright, so after that you can create a sheet. But before I create a sheet, I will just tell you some information about this ribbon. And in this ribbon we have three options. First is sheet, self-explanatory. All of your sheets will be present here. If you have created any bookmarks, it will be present in the bookmarks tab over here. And if you have any stories or you want to create a new story, you can come over here and create a story, but it is for later use. On the right hand side, again the same option, create a new story, but if I change the option, it is not showing you any bookmark, because, and not even an option, because bookmarks can be created only within the sheets. So if I have the sheets, the option is create a new sheet. So two options, either come here or come here and create a sheet. So let's go ahead and create a sheet, right? I just click there and it is giving me the new sheet option, and let's give it like sales discovery and some description. Let's explore sales. Now if you see two things, the first thing is the image. Again, you can have the image for an entire application or for a specific sheet. Say for example dashboard, you want to indicate it with a different image. Analysis, you want to indicate with a different image, or maybe for executive summary you want to have kind of an executive related image. All of that thing you can do it here, so highly customizable. Another thing, if you will observe, is the expression. So suppose that you want to have some long information in the description and you want to have the calculated fields, like at the start you want to show kind of a quick summary for the executives, which takes the commentary as well as some calculated fields, like this is the sales for the current month compared to the previous month sales. So all those figures can be dynamic, and you can, within this expression editor, you can create that entire dynamic expression, so that whenever any executive or anybody who is opening it and needs that information, all that information will be present at the start. As you can see, you have the options here, all tables, field you want to choose, aggregation, and all of those things. Again, functions, variables that you can apply. We will see these things later in the videos, but I just wanted to give you an idea about what are all the flexibility that you have. Third thing is deleting the sheet. So here you can have the option of deleting a sheet. So for now, I think I am good. So I just clicked outside, and this is the sales discovery, and two option. If I click here, it will open up the sheet. If I click here, it will open up this description, which I can further edit if I need. All right. So let's click on the upper side, and it will open up the sheet for me, right? And right now we are in the kind of a presentation mode. So to go into the edit mode, we can come over here and click on edit. So as I clicked on edit, I have 4 different options like fields, some master items, some charts, some custom objects, like or add-ons. All right. Here we have the option that we can select a particular table and get its related field, or even we can search it if there are like hundreds of fields. So for now, what I'll do is stop here, because there is a lot too much that I have showed you, which you need to digest. So do an experiment within the sheets that you have, and I will meet you in the new video with some filters and all that we can create in this sheet. All right.